लड़की वो राजनीतिक क्षेत्र में आना चाहती है, निर्भर करता है मौके का कि उसको मौका मिल रहा है कि नहीं मिल रहा है।
Why I am working for women?
महिलाओं की समस्या को महिला बेहतर तरीके से राजनीतिक पक्ष के सामने रख सकती हैं।
Have you ever wondered what true equality looks like? What if women were given the same rights and opportunities as men in every sector of society? This is the vision of Shakti Abhiyan, a movement inspired by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar's famous call to action. Educate, agitate, organize. Shakti Abhiyan is dedicated to recognizing women as individuals, organizing them around the idea of equal rights and ownership, Haq and Hissadari as we like to call, and agitate to build more inclusive spaces where women have their rightful place in society and nation. A new rise to women-centric politics around the idea of Haq and Hissadari. Our motto, Adi Abadi Pura Haq, demands for equal representation of women in politics and within the political structures. It aims at building a pipeline of women leaders at the grassroots. We believe in solidifying the position of women in the decision-making process. This will ensure their needs and aspirations are well reflected in our policies. As part of our Indra Fellowship program, the Indra Fellows will primarily act as an interface to implement the Shakti Abhiyan in their assigned block, ward or assembly. The Shakti Clubs are the foundation of our program. These community-based groups, activity centers or Sangatans provide a platform for women to discuss issues affecting their lives and communities. Women will lead discussions on their right to health, education, employment, the growing need for women's participation in politics, and build a community of women based on the principles of sisterhood. These clubs will be instrumental in facilitating constructive change at the grassroots and will inspire women to be the leaders of social and political change. Numerical strength is political strength in a democratic system. Empowering women in political roles and voting women to power is our key objective. This approach will ensure real representation of women's voices at all levels of governance, local bodies, assemblies, and parliament. Our three essential demands are 50% share in jobs, national, state, and local resources, equal opportunity in education and health, women to reject the politics of hate and violence to achieve these demands. Shakti Abhiyan harnesses the strength of collective action and sisterhood for constructive transformation at the grassroots.